Alex, and I'm studying a PhD in human-computer interaction.
And I'm Lachlan, and I'm studying a Bachelor of Civil Engineering at Griffith University.
Today we're going to give you a tour of the spaces in our new N79 building.
So this is our simulation studio, and it's got golden standard technologies in it for sport measurements, such as the force plates behind me and the optical motion capture system. So this is really advantageous for my PhD research because the algorithms that I have developed with inertial sensors I can now validate in the lab and make sure that they are accurate for the athletes, accurate for the coaches, and can be used for meaningful feedback.
This is actually what we call a triaxial cell. This is when we actually place a soil sample taken from an existing site, say for example 10 meters deep in the ground, bring it up to the surface through drilling, and then we place this soil sample in the triaxial cell, place it under press, apply the necessary pressure to mimic the surrounding soil pressure. Then we start shearing the sample until the sample fails, and that's when we get the soil strength. We are now in the soils lab. It's a wonderful lab, as you can see. Everything is brand new. We've got good facilities here, so we could actually have students from undergraduate years all through to postgraduate, including those doing their PhD. So this equipment that you see is actually a very powerful equipment. We can actually do it for teaching as well. We can do research on this equipment.